Do you ever get overwhelmed when you're picking music? Like so many songs, and most of them they sound like crap or like crazy expensive. And then you find that one song which is like fireworks on screen. Yeah, that one's copyrighted.
1, 2, 3, listen. Music for your videos. You know, music, it can make or break your videos, so it's pretty essential to pick the right one. So I wanted to show you my process of picking the right music, and in my opinion, I mean, it's maybe as essential as the footage that you're shooting. And that's why I partnered up with Artlist to make this video. Artlist, it's a company by filmmakers for filmmakers, so they actually know what they're doing, and that's really special because they are remaking and redefining the music licensing industry, in my opinion at least. Now, I got a ton of questions from you guys like making this video, so it only made more sense to just co-up with Artlist. So a big thanks to you guys, and a big thanks to Artlist for helping me out with this channel. Music Fist Bump!
Okay, if you didn't hear from them, or you did, but just take a look at these shorts that we shot with Team Odyssey and listen to the music. No, I need some rock for this.
'Cause I'm about that!
Maybe a little bit
I'm not where I'm supposed to be. I'm going in circles, going in circles. I should get away from here. A sparkle lights on fire. I'm high, I'm a butterfly.
Butterfly, yeah, right. Okay, for the next one, I'm going for a little bit more of...
Yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Nice.
You know, that actually came out a lot better than I expected. Anyway, here are my five tips. Here are my 5 tips to get like the right music for your video. Now, before I start and pick up this beast to film everything, I like to set up a mood and get some vibe in my head of what the video is actually going to feel like. You do that through music. So if you have that in mind, you can easily browse through the Artlist platform. They have so many handpicked songs and so many new songs added all the time. What I really like about the service, it's not like crappy looping songs and like every song you click has like real vibe and real emotion to it. And yeah, that's pretty awesome to find for a filmmaker. So now you have this feeling in your head, like this is the song you want, this is the feeling you want to show in the video. You have to search for that. And Artlist, the platform, makes it really easy to search by mood, by video theme, which is really nice if you want to have a road trip feel. You can find that. If you want to have a vlog feel, you can find music for that. You can search for instruments, for genre, all these kind of things. And you can also combine them together just to find something that fits with the feeling and the vibe you want to show in your video. So my personal favorites are a combination of electro, indie, maybe some dramatic or powerful songs here on the list. If you're stuck with this, and I mean, I get you, I totally get you, there are so many songs that you can choose from. It's just not only on the platform here, but like just making your head spin. Now, if you want to get through that, you can browse through collections. That's been a great help for me. For example, with the Valentine's video, there were so many songs that just went to the collection of Valentine. I just checked all of that out, and I found 2 songs that resonated with the mood I wanted to create. You can watch some here on the screen. Step 4 is actually really great. If you have some free time, you can stock in
great music that you're finding all the time. So at Eves, you can just listen to the music, put them in collections as you see on the screen right now, get some moody shots, some other shots, stuff that you really like, and then when you don't have time, for example, you need to rush for an edit, you just, quickly grab one of those and you're finished, right? And then the last one, and this is actually really simple, but just mind-blowing when you start using it. So you have different stems of the same music, which you can use for different parts of the video. So for example, when you're doing B-roll, you can use the vocal versions. When you're doing more stuff like this, talking into a camera, doing an interview, doing a vlog, you'd rather use the instrumental version so that the voice in the background isn't messing up with the message of your speaker. So always try to download both of these songs, put them on top of each other, so you can just clip out the best parts which you need to use for that part of your video. That's how I got into the flow of picking music for videos. First I set the mood that I want to put it in, I picked the music, then I overlay all of the footage all together. Well, it doesn't always work like that, but it's a great start anyway. Now, you've seen my process, but why Artlist? Why not other services? Now, I've been playing around with a lot of different sources that you can see from my other videos, but I found that this platform really reduces the time I'm spending on finding good music, which gives me more time to edit. But most importantly, it's what about it's not.
It's no crappy mass-produced stock songs, it's no expensive licenses you have to pay per song and per time you're using it, no trouble with content ID when you're uploading to social media.
You get the best from independent musicians, you can use as much songs as you want, but most importantly, you can use it wherever you want.
So let's recap what I just said. That means for YouTube, for commercial video, for social media, for applications, so whatever type of use you can think of for all of these songs.
And all of that for $199. It's pretty cheap. Also, if you're doing this for clients, you can put it in a music fee or you can incorporate it into the budget, and the service actually pays itself in like a few projects or so. Now, for the ones wondering, once you download a song with a subscription, it's licensed to use forever, even if you don't renew that subscription. Now, that's what I call service. So that brings us to, well, the question for today's video. Are you already using Artlist, or what's your source for all of the music for your videos? Now, for the ones that do want to try this awesome thing that I just explained this entire video with, use the link down in the description below and we can give you 2 extra free months on top of your subscription. Well, that's actually really great if you're using a lot of music. So it's the least we can do for you.
And by the way, if you're wondering where I got all of this great footage from the intro, I used a few shots from their new service, Artgrid. So you have Artlist and now Artgrid. It's their way of redefining stock footage licenses. So these guys are really killing it. Just give it a look and maybe you can find something on there.
And also a big thanks to Team Odyssey for helping me shoot all of these shorts. You guys were amazing. Now, like and subscribe and hit that bell icon and blah, 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 all those things. I just want to see you guys in the next one. So it's all about the creativity. Du mit der